Tack Talk with Paul from the Western Experience.
Hey, thanks for joining me with Tack Talk today. Here's a quick tip. If your turnout blanket or sheet, a rain sheet, doesn't have this little 20-cent stopper on it, make sure you put some on. Without it, your surcingles can come loose and dangle, and the next thing you know, the horse is stepping on them and tearing the blanket, and you've got some major repairs. So just put a little rubber stopper on there, surcingle stopper. It's that quick. Put it on there. Now it works like a cushion and keeps that from coming loose. Best thing you could invest in. Stop by, we'll clean your blanket, launder it, repair it, tell them to put a set of stoppers on. Of course, they'll do that at no charge when it's in for cleaning. Thanks. See you soon.
Please subscribe for another Tack Talk feature with Paul, coming soon.